guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, and welcome to today's video. Guys, I know you're wondering, wow, what's that? I know I have this unique toe, and before we start everything, this was an accident that happened when I was around 4 years old, and I had it's a scar. You know, each and every scar that we have, it has a story behind it. Yeah, so this happened when I was 4 years old, and now this is the result of the accident. Okay, yeah, so first things first, I'm going to show you how I make my toes at home, because when I go to, of course I do go to you know, the spa and do the pedicure thing, but most of the people, they don't know how to handle this toe. So when it is like this, it can limit me to wear some shoes, you know. Yeah, so let me show you. For example, when I have like these open shoes, I want you to see, so it limits me in a way, you know. I don't want to go looking like this. Okay, yeah, so I want to show you how I will definitely work on my toes with you guys today, and you will see the amazing changes that are going to happen over here. Yeah, so I had to learn how to do this on my own, because most of the people could not do that for me. Okay, yes, so let's start this thing. Yes guys, so step number one, I'll be trimming my toes. I have to make sure that I have removed all the nails that I don't want. Yeah, so I'll make sure that I've trimmed my nails, and that's what I'm doing over here. Yes guys, so step number two, I'll have to remove the remnant polish, the polish that had remained from previous application. So I have to make sure that I have removed that. Yes guys. Yes, so the next step, I have to soak my legs. So I'm using a basin, and in the basin I'm adding some antiseptic and soap. Yes, and the water, I have to make sure that the water is warm, is not hot. I don't want hot water because I don't want to injure myself, I don't want to burn myself. So I have to make sure that the water is warm. That's what I'm checking over here. And then next step is to soak my feet. I don't know, this is the best. Actually, this is the, when I'm doing this, I love soaking my legs inside this warm water. It actually gives me that relaxing feeling and soothing feeling. I don't know why. Yes, so the next thing, I created my own cuticle remover, and here I am using lemon juice, and I'm also using coconut oil. So lemon juice, it has that citric acid which helps you to, you know, which makes everything easy to remove the cuticles, and the coconut oil soothes, and you know, it softens your cuticles. So I'm also going to apply the solution on my heel, yes, to soften everything, and it actually helps me a lot, by the way. Yes, so that's what I'm going to do. And then the next thing, I'll have to push my cuticles. So each and every time that I do this, like last time I removed the excess cuticles that I had, so this time I don't see the reason why I need to cut the cuticles, because I don't have them, but then I need to push to make everything look more natural. Yes, so that's what I'm doing here guys. Yep. Yes guys, so I'll be washing my legs using these gloves. I love them because they are perfect and I can vouch for these gloves. So I'll be scrubbing and cleaning my legs from knee point to the toes. So that's what I'll be doing to remove all the dirt, oil and everything. Yes guys, so after washing my legs, I'll scrub my legs using this La Fresh scrub. Yes, so that's what I'll do to open the pores and everything. Yes guys. Yeah guys, so after that, immediately after I've removed my legs from the water, I need to remove dead skin on my heels, and I'm using these pumice. Yes, so with this it works perfectly. You can also use this or the scraper, but for me I'm going to use this because I find it, it's doing what I wanted it to do. Yeah, it's doing its purpose actually. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm removing all the dead skin, and you can see on the pumice that I had dead skin. I have that hard skin on my heel, so I think that's why they usually form very fast. Yes, so that's what I'm doing over here. So let's remove this dead skin on my heel. So guys, I'm done cleansing my legs. Now I have to wipe the water. I have to dry the water on my legs, so that goes the next step, which is filing my toes. So I have to file each and every toe to create that rough surface on the, not really creating rough surface, but to file to kind of maintain the shape that I want. Yes, so that's what I'm doing over here. But for the special toe, let me call it special because it's so unique and special, I'll be filing on top of it to create the coarse. I want that coarse effect on it, so when I am sticking my fake toenail, it will at least hold for quite some time. Yeah, it will create that, it will create that, it will hold firm. Yeah, so here I am. I'm just trying to select the perfect toe nail for that toe, and I think I've found one. I'll be using this glue to stick. Now that I'm going to buff my toes, as you can see, I'm buffing my toes, and I'm also buffing the stick-on, to remove the shiny. They have the shiny effect. Resemble the other natural toe. So that's what I'm doing over here, just trying to file it and give it the shape that I want. Yeah, so I think it's perfect. And then after that, I'm just wiping off the dust, the filing dust and everything. and I think I'm good to go. You can see it's looking good, it's looking perfect. Yeah, I love it. So after that, I'm going to massage my legs, and I'm using this massage oil. I'm using this massage oil, you know, like massaging your legs, it actually stimulates the blood circulation, and by stimulating the blood circulation in your legs, this helps your toes to grow, and actually it relaxes your muscles. So you know the effects of massaging, so that's what I'm trying to do to myself. Yeah. Yes guys, so I'm done massaging myself, so I'm just wiping the excess oil that I had, and then on the toes I'll be using again polish remover to clean the toes, to clean the nails, actually to clean the nails, to remove oil, so in order for me to be able to apply the nail polish. So that's what I'm doing, and I think I'm done. So here I have to choose. Last time I had applied white, so let me go with yellow. Today I'm going with yellow, and then I'm using this base coat. Yeah, so it's a base coat and a top coat at the same time. Yes, so I'm using this Luron Cutex yellow in color, and I'm also using this base coat top coat Luron. Yes, so that's what I'm doing, and now I'm just doing the normal thing, applying the base coat and then waiting it to dry, and then I'll be applying my Cutex, my nail polish. Let me call it nail polish. I don't know why Cutex sounding so, I don't know, guys. Okay, yes, so over here, you know, you have to apply and then clean, because I want it at least to look good. I don't want to look like I don't know what. Yes, so I'll be cleaning definitely, because of course sometimes you mess, but you have to make sure that you've cleaned. Yes, so, and guys, I'll show you the results. Yes guys, and voila, look at my toes guys. I love them now, like wow. Let's tell me what you think. I love them, by the way. Yeah, so if you don't like, I really, no one, like, not really, when I do this, no one like gets to understand that I have a fake stick-on my toe. Yeah, so I'll be applying the now top coat to give it the shiny effect over there, and then guys, I think I'm good to go, and I have saved a lot, you know, I've saved a lot. Look at those toes. Wow, I love them guys. I love them. I won't lie about that. Ready to wear some open shoes. I'm ready for that. I'm ready. Yes, I'm feeling so fresh, so clean. Yes guys, I'm feeling so fresh and so clean at the same time, and I don't know what to tell you, but I love them. I love I love them. I don't know how many times do I need to say that I love them, but actually even you can see that they look perfect. So let me try with the heels. You know, you remember the first time when I was trying to wear these heels and I was looking like I don't know how. Yes, so look guys, look. Wow, I love it. Now I'm ready to rock this heels, any open shoe that I have. Yay, wow, look at that guys. Yes guys, so that was it from me today guys, and don't forget subscribe, don't forget to like this video, guys, and I love you so much, and take care of yourself, guys. Take care of yourself, and kisses.